Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Bilbil L59 electric height adjustable desk and you need to do a hard reset on it. Now you might want to do this hard reset for a couple of different reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If the desk will not move, or if the keypad is not responding or not working, or if it's just otherwise glitching and not acting right, a hard reset can fix a lot of the issues. So if you want to do this, we can just go ahead and get started. It's real easy. You just need to come down to the little control panel here, and you're going to press and hold the up button and the down button simultaneously for a long press. So you'll have to hold it for about 5 to 10 seconds, and you'll actually hear the thing beep, and then it will actually automatically go to its default height of 59 inches, and the desk will be completely reset to its factory default settings. And then you can go ahead and set it up and put any presets or anything like that that you want in it.